How to transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. First thing first, open up your Google Play Store and make sure that you are logged into your account. Simply tap on the top right corner on your profile picture. A menu will pop up on your screen. Now you're just going to have to head over to Help and Feedback. And once you get to this page, you'll have different kind of option here. So what you're going to have to do is tap on the Contact Us option. So tap on this option right here below, and then you should be able to see this step where you can write what you need help with. So you could write here something like Google Play Balance, then tap on Next. So once you've done that, you should be able to get an option here where you get an issue with the Google Play Balance. So just tap on it. So you're going to select something called issue with play balance and then select a specific one. So let's say play balance and gift card and then tap on next step. Here you will be recommended different kind of articles to solve your issue. Just tap on next again and then you're going to have to head over to community. So on the contact option, tap on this community option. And here you are going to have to briefly describe your issue, saying that you want to transfer your Google Play Store balance to another account. Just give it the description here, and then you should be able to add a picture as your proof, and then select your category. So let's say we're going to have to select your Google Play apps. Then you're going to have to select I'd like to fix issue and problem, and after doing this, tap on next and confirm in post. Someone will help you on this post and you should be good to go. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.